पर्वत से सीखो गर्व से शीश उठाना, सागर से सीखो जी भर कर लहराना। यह प्रकृति नहीं सिखाती किसी को ठुकराना, इसे बस आता है सबको अपनाना। Today is World Nature Conservation Day, so I, Harsh Chauhan of class 10th, on the behalf of Eco Club, wish a very cheerful morning to all of you. At first, I would like to thank my august teacher, Mr. Shashikant Sharma, who gave me the wonderful opportunity to present this speech before you. Now, I would like to tell you that 28th of July is celebrated as World Nature Conservation Day every year. This occasion aims to create awareness about the need to conserve environment and natural resources. This occasion is an attempt at recognizing that a healthy and well-functioning environment is necessary for a stable and productive human society. The history and origin of World Nature Conservation Day are unknown, but the main aim of celebrating it is to come together and support nature. Conservation of resources is the wise management and utilization of resources. As we all know that due to natural imbalance, we are facing several problems like global warming, various diseases, natural disasters, etc. Therefore, for the coming generations, it is necessary to preserve it. So it is important to raise awareness among people all over the world to understand the significance of saving resources, recycling them and preserving them. Nature provides us with all the essentials for our daily needs, but we have started to overexploit our resources. If this continues, there will be no resources left for our future generations. So, it is important to conserve resources as they support life by maintaining ecological balance to ensure that the future generations will be able to access natural resources, to preserve the biodiversity, to ensure that the human race survives. I hope you have understood the necessity of conservation of nature. Now, I would like to conclude with these lines. चलो आज हम सब ये कसम खाएं, एकजुट होकर इस प्रकृति को बचाएं। चलो आज हम सब ये कसम खाएं, एकजुट होकर इस प्रकृति को बचाएं और अपने इस जीवन को खूबसूरत और खुशहाल बनाएं, खूबसूरत और खुशहाल बनाएं। थैंक यू।